I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting everything Riot will ask for: account email, region, and screenshots of the store item and ID. Once done, grab purchase proof, order history, transaction ID, or failed checkout screenshots, because that short-circuits back and forth. Log into Riot support, select the specific game, and open a new billing or store ticket. Choose the closest category to purchases. This step initiates the formal process and creates a reference number you'll use throughout, so make it accurate and complete now. You now craft the message Riot agents will read: clarity speeds resolution. Start with a direct subject like missing skin purchase, and in the body list account name, transaction ID, timestamps, and server region. Attach your screenshots of the store page and receipt so the agent verifies SKU and charges quickly. Once done, explain the troubleshooting you already performed and state the desired resolution: refund, grant, or manual delivery. Polite but specific language reduces ambiguity and prevents repeated requests. For this, you finish by actively managing the ticket until closure. Check the support portal for responses and reply quickly if they ask for anything. Adding extra unrelated info can slow them down. If there's no substantive reply within 72 hours, escalate politely through the portal's escalation option or use official social support channels with your ticket number. Once done, try client-side steps: relog, run a repair, verify account region, and if those fail, request a manual grant. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most store skin issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.